Burkeville, Virginia. I'm going to do a quick demo video on an absolutely gorgeous and practical 2007 Elgin Whirlwind sweeper truck. We're going to go through and show you the demo. Now, we're not going to do a ton with the brushes because obviously we're on dirt, but we have tested all of these on concrete, and they work just exactly like they should. Actually, everything on this truck has worked exactly like it should, from the brooms to the air regenerative system to the internal and external controls for the dump and the rear tailgate release. So we've driven this truck a couple hundred miles. It is driven and operated just like it should. It features a 2007 chassis with a 5.9 Cummins motor, paired with an ALLISON automatic transmission and only 75,000 true original miles. It comes here from right here in Virginia, so you don't have any of the rust and corrosion issues that you find in other areas of the country. So overall, a really super clean rig. It does have dual drive. It's riding on a Sterling SC 8000 chassis. We are operating the dump and the rear tailgate release from inside the unit, but we have tested these external controls and they work as well. We have not noticed any leaks on this truck, not on the motor itself or in any of the rear controls or hydraulics. You can see that the 8 cubic yard hopper is in really good condition, and that overall, while the truck does show some normal wear, just some normal wear just from being used and operated, but it doesn't show any significant rust. There's no areas on the truck that when we recondition it we're going to have to do any sort of like fabrication or metal work. The rear drawn Deere pony motor always fires right up just like it should. Even your tires are in great condition. If you're looking for a great value on a sweeper, I'm going to preview price this one as it is, which means I'm not going to do the full cosmetic reconditioning on it, and I'm going to list it for about half when I'm finding comparable units to go for. So once we do a little bit of fine-tuned cleaning and paint on it, I am going to increase the price. So if you want the best price possible, this is it. And this is a 2007 5.9 Cummins motor. ALLISON automatic transmission, dual drive, Elgin Whirlwind sweeper with a fully automatic dump and tailgates, with no DPF, no diesel particulate filter, no DEF, no DEF fluid requirement. So definitely 100% free emission and a great solid truck. So if you want more information or details, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 804-928-9099. And just so you know, I do have my magnets over the previous owner's information. I am going to be taking that off, but those stickers were being a little problematic for us today. So in the sense of getting this truck out and advertised as soon as possible, I went ahead and just covered those, but we will be taking that information off the doors.